శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ జన్మదినాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని స్థానిక మిర్యాలగూడ పట్టణంలోని ఎస్వి మోడల్ హై స్కూల్ నందు ఘనంగా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ దినోత్సవం జరుపుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ ఓరుగంటి శ్యామ్ సుందర్, డైరెక్టర్ విశాలాక్షి, ఇన్ఛార్జ్ నాగలక్ష్మి మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం పాల్గొన్నారు.
Start the question. Close your eyes.
This is trigonometric table. Angle sin theta is equal to sin 0, sin 30 is equal to
This is trigonometry ratio. In a right-hand triangle, there are AC is largest side of hypotenuse. DC is multiple properties like lines, points, and squares. This is use of the algebraic expressions. Correct, because was the first scientist mathematician who
We have to take x-axis in this way, y-axis in this. We take the value of x is 2, the y-axis is 0, then this is the
fiber, base is sugar, and P is hypotenuse is 30.
Madam, my name is Nirmala. I am studying 10th class. My project is Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle, base is equal to 12 centimeters. Height is equal to 5 centimeters. Then hypotenuse is 12.
Good morning, madam. My name is Nasreen. I am studying in 10th class. This is the trigonometry part, madam. This is the Pythagoras theorem. This is the superhelmont. This is the watching tower. This is the triangular formula. This is the exercise machine. This is the length of revolution up to down. This is the angle of depression up to down. Pythagoras theorem, A value is the one from class 10.
Find the breadth of rectangle whose area is x square plus 4x plus 3. X square plus 4x plus 3. Take 4x as 3x plus 1x. X square plus 3x plus 1x plus 3. Common take as common x. X into x plus 3 plus 1. X plus 3. X plus 3 is for
class 10. This project name is probability and odd number. Probability of odd number. Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7. So we take 4. Total numbers is 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Frequency of outcomes is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7.
Madam, center of the circle, radius, diameter. Diameter is the longest chord segment. This is a sector. This is corner.
multiples of 4 is 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, plus 1 is 14, 2 1s are 18, 2 10s are 20. The multiples of 4 is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 11, 4 3s are 11, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 21. The multiples of 6 is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5 are 30. So the marble quantity is more in 12. So the LCM of 2 4 6 is 2.
Area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. The lateral surface area of cuboid is 2H into L plus B. The volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. The total, this is a cube. The total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. The lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4L square. Volume of a cube is equal to L cube. This is a cylinder. The curved surface area.
Good morning, sir. This is Tanika from class 9th. This is my project. My project name is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras is a scientist. He invented this theorem. This is the hypotenuse and this is base and this is the height. The formula is h square is equal to p square plus b square. H square means hypotenuse and b square means base and p square means perpendicular. Thank you.
Nancy from class 8th. My project name is Frisboard. Square minus b square is equal to answer is right, sir. A minus b whole cube. Answer is right, sir. Thank you.
This is Banu Prasad from class 10. This is Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the longest side is called hypotenuse. The hypotenuse side is filled with the other two sides is called Pythagoras theorem. This is Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.
My project is about volume of cylinder is equal to 3 times volume of cone. We should take the same radius of cylinder and cone and having same height. And we pour 3 times sand in the volume of cylinder.
My project name is types of triangles. If which triangle have 3 sides is called equilateral triangle. If which triangle have 2 sides is called isosceles triangle. If which triangle have 3 sides different is called scalene triangle. Acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kirtana. I am studying 7th class. My project name is Math Project. This is L is line, M is line, N is transversal, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. They are all angles. Integer angles.
This is Jessie from class 7. My project name is Parts of a Circle. O is center, OC is radius, DA is diameter, ED chord, CF is arc. The chord is dividing a circle into 2 parts. One is major segment, another one is minor segment. The diameter divides a circle into two parts, semicircle. The radius dividing into 4 parts. One is quarter. Radius is dividing a circle into.
Everyone, this is Kirtana from class 7. My project name is types of angle. There are 7 types of angles. The angle 0 degrees is known as zero angle. The angle is above 0 and below 90 degrees is known as acute angle. The angle that is 90 degrees is known as right angle. The angle is 90 above 180 below is known as obtuse angle. The angle is totally 180 degrees is known as straight angle. The angle is 180 above 360 below is known as obtuse angle. The angle is completely 360 degrees is known as complete angle. Name is real numbers.
Happy Mathematics Day. First of all, natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Example of natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, and etc. Second one is whole numbers. All natural numbers are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W, but all whole numbers
Parallel to each other. If one line intersects between two or more parallel lines is called transversal. These both are corresponding to each other. These angles are same. This is 90 and this is 90 degrees.
My name is Radhya. I am studying 4th class. My project work name is measurement of time. 60 seconds, 60, 1 minute, 60 minutes, 60, 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day, 14 days, 1 fortnight, 7 days, 1 week, 12 months, 1 year, 365 days, 1 year, 10 years, 1 leap year, 100 years, 1 continuous time.
Finish mathematics 3-dimensional shapes. Diagram given by the curved surface area 2h into L plus B. Total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Value L into B into H. Cube 4a square. Total surface area 6a square. Value A.
Afternoon everyone, my name is Satvik. I am studying 3rd class. My project name is timing 1 5 minutes, 2 10 minutes, 3 15 minutes, 4 20 minutes, 5 25 minutes, 6 30 minutes, 7 35 minutes, 8 40 minutes, 9 45 minutes, 10 50 minutes, 11 55 minutes, 12 60 minutes. Thank you.
I'm 4th class. My project name is Important Mathematics Science. The sign of addition, the sign of subtraction, the sign of multiplication, the sign of division, the sign of equality, the sign of because, the sign of therefore, the sign of greater than, the sign of less than, the sign of angle, the sign of right angle, the sign of triangle, the sign of circle, the sign of square, the sign of parallelogram, the sign of percentage. 4th class. My project name is Indian currency and rupees. 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees, 50 paisa, 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa.
Miss Pavitra, I am studying 4th class. My project name is Mass Tables. 2 4 32, 3 6 15, 2 4 8, 3 6 18, 4 8 32, 5 3 50. Thank you.
My name is Sarika. I'm studying 4th class. My project name is clock. 9 30, 10 30, 11 30, 12 30, 1 30, 2 30, 3 30, 4 30, 5 30. Thank you. I am studying 4th class. My project name is shapes. Circle, semicircle, rectangle, cone, square, cylinder, triangle, cube. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Sarika. I am studying 4th class. This is a house. This is a cone. This is a cube. This is a rectangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a rectangle. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vikash. I am studying 4th class.